Come on, make that coffee to go. Let's go.
It's a trader's paradise. That's what I was telling Mike. Like it is a time wherein you don't want to be buying and holding a bunch of alts, thinking that it'll go up. I think it's a very good time to be having some sort of spot bets. You are buying the dip, selling the rip, and then patiently waiting. I think that's where the market has now shifted, comparison to 4 years back or like 7 years back, wherein we used to just buy and hold something and it went 10x, right?
Yes.
That was used to be a different market structure back then. But now it has all shifted.
You know, and if you're doubtful about it, do the reverse of our portfolio strategy and take, like, if you want to hold the majority of your Bitcoin, hold it, but then take a little bit of it and start trying to buy and sell
Just
the
trade.
dip and the thing,
Why
and
not?
see where you get there in a couple of months, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So it's a low at the moment. If you've got some liquidity, buy, and then next week when we're back in the green and in the 120s,
Yeah.
I would be looking to sell because chances are we're going to pull back down. And I think historically, like, September does cause a big chop or pull down. It's definitely a volatile month.
Yeah,
The geopolitical climate adds extra volatility to it.
that's true.
And all the adoption adds extra unpredictability to it. But I think we're going to see chop through September and then hopefully a big bull candle.
October.
Well, I'm thinking sort of like late September with the big meeting on the 17th with the Fed.
Yep.
I think we start seeing a nice, healthy run up there.
Yeah. I totally agree. I think that's where I want to see this week. I think this week is the most crucial week before the week of 17th. So that's where I think we might see some choppiness in the middle, and then a bit of bottoming, and then
I think I pretty much just don't believe anything that happens for the next 2 weeks. Like, I just don't believe it. Maybe even for the next month. I think every position that we have, if we just look for us Wednesday to Wednesday, because we record and release this on Wednesday.
Yep.
I think if we just look Wednesday to Wednesday, everything's temporary.
Yeah, that's true.
Ups, downs, all temporary for the next 2 to 4 weeks, in my opinion.
Yeah, so just make sure that you are not risking a lot, because there might be some potential drops of, who knows, maybe 10%.
Yeah.
So
but trade. It's
trade,
a really good time to trade. If
Trade.
you haven't traded before, you can even jumping on Day 1X and using the demo account, the paper trading,
Yep.
just to say, okay, what would happen if I had $1,000 and I was sort of trading up and down and up and down,
Yep.
and then see where you end up and apply any learnings to your overall strategy, because as we've said, it is a trader's market at the moment and there's some gains to be made there. If you think about 10% drops and peaks up and down, that's a lot of money that you can accumulate really, really quickly.
Really quickly, yeah, exactly. And that's where I think Day 1X might help you guys grow your portfolio even bigger, because of the 0.1% fee that we have.
Yeah.
And that's a trader's paradise, I think. And
Exactly.
the other thing,
Zero on deposit, zero on
withdrawals.
withdrawals, and 0.1 on trading fees. So you can literally come in and just buy and sell the dip and the peak as you think.
as low as you can in saving the fee. And the other thing being, I think, is Ethereum's unlock on the validator node. So there's a huge queue right now where over 900k Ethereum is just sitting there to be unlocked from the